Hello guys, welcome to this channel. In this video, we are going to learn how to make this liquid bottle. First, open up the blender, press A to select all, and press X to delete all of this. Now you Shift A, go to front view, Shift A, image, background. So we need to reference image reference. Zoom in, GZ, something like this. Just make sure your image reference in the middle. Press Shift A, add a mesh, circle. On this one, add circle. Just use 16 vertex. Now press tab, go to edit mode, scale it down, press GZ to move it on the Z axis, move it up like this, press E to extrude, press Z again to move it down to the Z axis. You can press Alt Z to see the X-ray mode. Then select all of this edge, press E, scale it down, something like this. Press E, Z, then press E, S, scale it up a little bit, press E again to extrude, Z again, just like this, press E again to extrude, and scale it down. Now go to bottom view, just click all of this, select all of this, edge, extrude, scale it down by pressing S. Now you have something like this. Press, scale it down again. Press E again, scale it down. Press G, Z, scale it up. And then you can press Ctrl F to grid fill the hole. Now select this edge, Ctrl B to bevel it, hold Shift and move your mouse down, scroll down to add more loops, something like this. Do the same thing at the bottom, Ctrl B to bevel it, hold Shift, move your mouse up. Then here, just scale it down, press E, Z. Okay. You have noticed we have something like this, like, I don't know how to say it, but it's on the bottle. We need to create this too. Just tab mode, go to object, Shift A, mesh, go to blend, then hide this first, click your blend, press R, X, 90 degree, go to tab mode, edit mode, just click those two vertices, press G twice, then move it to side. So you have only two vertices, but you need to press A, M by descending. Now we need to add a modifier, screw on the On the screw modifier, just use the y-axis and move it like, change this to 2, then make it 2 interaction. Yeah, something like this. You can scale it down. You can just go to object mode, accept this, apply, back to edit mode, just select everything, press A, press M, and by distance. Then press A again, press S and Z axis to scale it down, and only on Z axis. Press S again. Yeah, something like this. Move it up. Okay, we have this. Now we should create something like this. How to make it? I will teach you how. We need to first go to edit mode, press Ctrl R to add a new loop cut, like 3 loop cut, press escape. Now you can select all of this edge out of top except this. Press E to extrude, Z to the Z axis, going up. Then you press S, Z, and 0. Press G, Z, and don't forget to select all and merge by distance. So we need to remove the vertex. Now select all of this edge at the top, move it down a little bit, press E, Z. Okay. Now we have something like this. Go to the face mode, face selected, click on this face, press I, B, scale it down, just something like, we need to move it closer to this edge. G, Z, you can adjust it, and select I again. Something like this. Yeah. Now back to the vertex modes. Select this vertex, this one, and this one. Press M. At last, this one you should do the same too. M. At last, this one. And at last this one. Move. You should select this. On the left view, we need to go to left view. Select this edge. Select this face. Press Hold to control. Click on here. Click here. Just hold to control. Okay. Just X, delete the face. Go to the left view. Go to edge mode. Select all of this edge. Except this one. Except this. We need to do the same thing at the bottom, like the top part. Press E, Z, and press S, Z axis, 0. G, Z, scale it up. And then press and merge by distance. It will remove one vertex. Now you can select all of these edges again, press E, Z to move it like this. Yeah. Then select this face, press E to insert, something like this. Move it G, move it down a little bit on the Z axis. Press E again, scale it down, yes, something like this. Go to vertex mode. We have the separate vertex, sorry, like this. So we need to join them together like we did before. Just click these two vertices and center. Something like that. Now go to the face mode, click on this face, click on this. Make sure you follow the line. You can keep going like this. Just Control Z if you do the wrongs. Okay, now scale it up. Oops. Now scale it up. Press S on your keyboard. Something like this. Maybe you should hold the Shift Z so we now scale it on the Z axis. We need to. Now scale it up like this. Go to the top view. Wait, select this edge. Go to the top view. We have this vertex G. Move it on the x-axis, something like this. Do the same at the bottom. Go to the top view so we can see it. Press G, X to the x-axis. Yeah, now we have it. Press Alt H to bring Alt H to bring the bottle. So we have it. Just need to put it something like this and make sure it's the original at the bottom. Just click on here, double click, right click here, set origin to geometry. Scale it down. Okay. Okay. So we need to join them together. Just click this one, this J, and shades mode. Go to the edit mode. We need to connect the top part of the bottle and the bottom part. There's many ways to do that, but you can press Alt and click on this edge, press X, vertex, and go to the edge mode. Select these two edges, press F, yeah, click on this and hold there. But it looks like weird something happened over here because it's the face orientation. Let's check it out. Go to overlay, face orientation. See, just select, press A to select all of it, press Shift and bring back it. So we have it. We have our bottle, and then we need to select this edge, this one, Ctrl B, bevel it, this edge too, this edge, Ctrl B, bevel it. Okay, now we need to add the modifier, subdivision surface. Just make it to 2 level. We have our bottle. Now as you can see, at the top it looks like a cone, but it's inside of the bottle. So we need to just add some new circle, 16, okay. Just move it up, GZ. Here, just tap, go to edit mode. Don't forget to extract here. Do the fair technique, scale it up, scale it down. Like this. Press E to extrude, scale it down. E, Z to extrude it on the Z axis. Something like this. Instead of this H, press E, extrude on the Z axis. Yeah. Then you can press E to extrude inside, scale it down, extrude again, scale it down again. Okay, and press EZ, go up, then scale it down, something like this. At the top you can press E, scale it down, press E, Z, just go down like that, scale up. Okay, jet move, get some, add another subdivision surface. Go here, edit mode. We need to make the sharp keep sharp by select this edge, Ctrl B, bevel it. Okay. This one too. Okay. On the bottom part too on this. Select this edge, Ctrl V to bevel it. Then move it down a little bit. Maybe it have to scale up a little bit. Something like this. Yeah. We have our bottle, but without the cap. I guess we need to do add modifier, solidify. Go to X-ray view, move this to the up over here. We need the thickness of the bottle inside of the bottle, just like this. Yeah, it's good for me. Nothing can be wrong. Don't forget to save your project. Just make it fairly quick. Okay, now we create the cap of the bottle. Circle 32 vertex, press G, Z, move it up like this, and move your reference image to Z axis, X axis. Click your circle, go to edit mode, scale it down like this way, over here, yeah. Edit mode, press hit extrude Z, something like this, press E again, scale it up just a little bit, press E again, Z axis, to extrude, just something like this. Just Ctrl R to add new loop cut, put it over here and bottom like this, and to the X-ray view, select all of this, press H to hide, H, press A, right click, simplify, select all of this H, X, dissolve H, press A to select all, and E to insert. Just press E again, just like this, yeah, and then press Alt E, extrude face along normal, go to inside, just a little bit like this, yeah. Here we have it. Press Alt H. Move it a little bit here. Extrude, scale it down. G, Z. Go to X-ray view. Press E, Z, scale it down, E, Z, scale it down like this. Just move it a little bit like this. Okay. Press E, scale it down, Ctrl F, grid fill, shade smooth. And we need to add the modifier, bevel modifier, 3 seconds, 0.003, and supervision surface. Just here, Ctrl R, like this. Ctrl R again, move it down like this. Sorry. So this edge, extrude, inside, scale, extrude again, on the Z axis. Now we have our cut. Then we need to create the label. Select the bottle, go to edit mode, next right frame, just select this, go to face mode, shift D to duplicate, P selection, add the loop cut here, and here, and change this to the level. Next, click your label, Go to edit mode, go to back view, just hold alt and click this, press U, mark sim, because we need to unwrap this later. Just go to object, go to render property, change it to cycle, and color management, change it to filmic and high contrast, and the sample I'm only use 50. Okay, let's go to shader editor, change it to the render view, and check this to see. Select your top, new. I want to make it yellow like this, something like this. Turn down the roughness, like here, and change this to higher to 1.46, and name it like plastic. Just do the same material for the bottle, and it looks good to me. For the label, it's new, and don't forget, if you don't have it, just click the principal BSDF, Ctrl T. But if you can do it, just go to edit, preference, go to add-ons, just type node wrangle, just check this node wrangle, save the preference, and you can do this, like click your principal BSDF, Ctrl T, just open, go to your label, something like this. Okay. So we have our label. Yes, this one need to hide first. Now over here, just new. Just make it transparent plastic. Just turn down the roughness, 1.46, and it's a little bit transparent, I guess. Move it, Shift A, new, transparent, BSDF, yes, and mix shader. Here, and connect it, increase this, something like this, so you can see. Okay, just like this, I guess. It looks good to me. Just, we don't need the preference, let's just delete it. Select all of it, move it to the new collection name. Okay. Now, just over here, let's add the camera. Move to the right view. Sometimes I'm just reset the rotation and just do R, rotate to -90 degree, and move it like this. Here on this window, just go to view camera, move it like this. Okay, we need to set up our light and background. Change this to viewport setting, and then we need to, and then just Shift A, mesh, no, go to empty cube, move it a little bit like this, go to X-ray view, just select all of it, and then the last one is your empty cube, Control P, object keep transform, so you can move all of these ones. Just move the empty and move the empty to liquid bottle collection. Then we need the background, scale it up just like this, a bit like this, just we need to much more bigger here. Extrude, and at the modifier, the bevel modifier, just make 10 segment and move scroll down, shade smooth. So I guess we need our light. Wait, just forget so you can see before setting our light. I duplicate this collection. Just maybe this, maybe something like this. And move it to the back. This one. Like this, yeah. Then we need another barrel, just duplicate it. This one, and move it right here. Just something like here, I guess. Something like this. Just do it like as you want. Further, just do it. Open the top. I need to like this, maybe. Yeah. Over here, here, like here. Yeah, it looks good to me. Then just tone down this. Let's check this back again. And the warp property, turn this to 0. Let's add our light. The point, Z, GZ, increase the power. The radius. Yeah. Like again, just the right view, just R minus 90 degree, just change it to 100. Okay, maybe like 1,000 or 5,000. Oh, it's so bright. Just 2,000. Change the background, I guess. Maybe just orange like this. And yeah, maybe like this. We duplicate these, rotate it, something here. Okay, let's see what we are missing. Maybe we need to change this too. No, just that one. And this one is 3,000. Yeah, looks good to me. And just render it. I guess we are done here. So, thank you for watching.